50 नंतर नवीन मित्र मिळणे, नवीन ग्रुप तयार होणे सायकलिंगमुळे पॉसिबल आहे. जोडीने सायकलिंग सुट्ट्यांवर जाऊ शकता, ही खूप छान कल्पना आहे. काही वर्ष अमेरिकेत घालवल्यावर, तिकडे हे सायकलिंग केल्यावर परत भारतात यायचं आणि इथे पण सायकलिंग जर्नी कंटिन्यू ठेवायची. योगा आणि सायकलिंग यांचा नक्की काय ताळमेळ होऊ शकतो हे आपण आजच्या एपिसोडमध्ये जाणून घेऊया. टुगेदर दे रियली मेक अ फन कपल. बड़ा होने के बाद क्या बनने का है? तो लॉयला बॉयज.
At heart, I'm still a Pune boy, even though I'm a Mallu.
And speaking wheels, we found different age group people also that we actually gelled with.
True.
So माझ्यासाठी आता cycling is like meditation. Now that I have cycled, my understanding to help people is much better.
I actually want to organize a cycling trip in Kerala.
येस.
But I realized that he got a lot of support. He got a lot of technical help from members from the group. That fear is not there anymore की आपण सकाळी एकटं निघालं तर आपल्याला हेल्प नाही आहे.
हाऊ डज योगा हेल्प मी?
तो आपण सायकलिंग करायच्या आधी वॉर्मअप करणं खूप गरजेचं आहे. रिकव्हरी खूप इम्पॉर्टंट आहे, कारण मसल्स जर रिकव्हर नाही झाले ना तर मग इंजुरीचे चान्सेस वाढतात. वी बीन हेजिटेट टॉकिंग अबाउट मेनोपॉज. सो मला एक गोष्ट म्हणायची आहे की जर स्वतःहून तुम्ही स्वतःला मोटिवेट नाही करू शकला तर जॉईन अ ग्रुप. बस धमाल ग्रुप आहे. आय गॉट हुक्ड.
That's not the point. The point is to
going.
cycle together.
If my wife likes speaking wheels, we are hooked on for life. And thankfully, we manage that. So, hello everyone. An energetic, powerhouse, enthusiastic couple. He is an avid sports person, a retired IT professional, and a golfer in his free time. She is a yoga teacher with her own studio in Baner. It's a rare combination that I have come across. He is a Mallu, brought up in Pune. She is a Gujarati from Solapur. Together, they really make a fun couple. So I met Manoj when we were on a tour to the Kutch. He was part of a group called Loyla Boys. आता Loyla Boys म्हणजे काय आहे? So they are a 50-year-old group of people who were Loyalites, and they had come on a cycle tour. Seeing their friendship, enthusiasm, energy, team Speaking Wheels was mighty impressed. म्हणजे आम्ही खूपच असं आम्हाला वाटलं की बड़ा होने के बाद क्या बनने का है? तो Loyla Boys. So that was the enthusiasm and energy they got along. Deepa unfortunately couldn't join for that tour, so I met Manoj first. Once he was back from Kutch, we connected much more. Then the deal breaker for them to come as a couple together on a tour was the Nasik tour that we do, the Nasik Wine Hop, La Villoveno. And that is when I remember Manoj had specifically told me, if my wife likes Speaking Wheels, we are hooked on for life. And thankfully we managed that. So they have been a part of Speaking Wheels for a long time, joined a lot of small tours, and they are an integral part of Speaking Wheels. So let's hear more about friendships, cycling together as a couple, taking cycling holidays together, and so on. So welcome Manoj Nair, Deepa Nair.
Thank you, Amit, for the opportunity. Thank you for getting us on the show. I must say the fact that she loved cycling has and the La Vela ride was a lot to do with the fact that we love wine too. So there was a good introductory ride, and so that was a great strategy and got us hooked on perfectly. So thank you for doing that.
Great. So now that we have mentioned that you are a unique couple of a Mallu getting together with a Gujarati, we need to know more about the story.
So how we, sure you want to know how we met. I grew up in Solapur, so I have a lot of friends there. So one of my childhood friends happens to be, Manoj did his engineering in Solapur, of course, in the Walchand Institute. And my best friend was studying there. Okay. And all the guys, any new girl comes, they all want to get an intro. So that's how he got to know my friend. And then we happened to meet in that manner. We got introduced by my friend, and that's how. But Manoj has a more interesting story.
So the funny anecdote obviously, we are out of towners. These are the local girls. They don't, and we are all this weird guys. So no bhav. We don't get zero bhav that way. And then so Anuj, who was my friend, he wanted to meet her friend, that other girl that she was talking about. So he wanted to get that connection in. And so we knew that day it was their college ka local function or something. So he says, let's, and through the grapevine, all that thing, they said, these two are walking on the road outside. So chalo. So then quickly borrowed somebody's Luna. And you remember the Luna, right? Those.
Yeah, this is what year? Because our viewers may not know what a Luna is.
This is
Long time ago.
1988 types, that
Yeah.
88, 89, something like that. And then, so I hop on, and I'm like, there has to be two people. There's two girls, there's to be two guys. So chalo mere saath. So I'm sitting behind, and the Luna is a low thing. It doesn't really have a seat.
Yeah. So Luna is a previous edition's electric bicycle. We may call that.
But it was gasoline powered. It was not electric.
Yeah, but you had to pedal to. Yeah.
And then so it's dark at night, can't see wet, and he's doing it through the chota gully so that we come from the side where we run into them. Oh, funny seeing you here. And sure enough, there's a lot of cow dung on the road, and I cut the cake with my legs. And I'm like, and this guy's, no, we can't stop now, we got to go. I'm like frantically shaking off the cow dung, and then here they come, and they're like talking, and I'm like standing on the side trying to not let this stick. Oh, it was hilarious. That's the first time I met her. It was very funny.
So the Luna played a big part. So a pedal to happiness of a different kind.
Two-wheelers, always there, part of the life, yes.
Okay, so you were in the US for a major part of your life, post your marriage and everything. You decided to come back, and what made you choose Pune as your base?
So we both are born and raised in Maharashtra. Manoj, technically, he always keeps saying I'm born in Kerala, but he's literally born and brought up in Pune, and me in Cholapur. So we are very comfortable with Pune. As such, we had two options of Bangalore and coming to Pune. So what happened is, as our girls started growing up, we started missing having a family around. And that always played on our mind कि यार family चाहिए, friends है. It's a very different space. So as soon as we started talking about it कि let's go for a couple of years and see. I jumped at that opportunity when he said, because I definitely wanted the girls to come here and experience this life. And use your anecdote of Lakshmi Road.
Pune is base. Pune has always been base. At heart, I'm still a Pune boy, even though I'm a Malu, but always grown up here, schooling here. So a lot of connections here. So when I had the chance to set up an ODC, what they call an offshore development center. Right. We actually had a full-fledged office in Bangalore, but because there was a satellite office here, I said, no, Pune is where I'm going to set it up. And my boss there had no problem with it. So I actually set up the center here in Pune because that's where I wanted to be. Two-wheeler Lakshmi Road में चलाएगा तो दुनिया में किधर भी तो two-wheeler चला सकता है. That was the very simple logic. So yeah, I definitely wanted the kids to experience life in India. Clearly, family was a big part of it, but live in India, grow up a little bit here, and kind of understand this life, and then they can decide wherever they want to be.
Right. And when did this cycling bug really bit you?
So I think cycling has always been, now that I think about it, has always been there. Growing up, we had cycles. Correct. I still remember the first time I got onto Swati Khandekar's, what is it, Hero? Were those old... Atlas, that heavy one with the...
Bhaiya cycle that we call, huh?
Lady cycle. I still distinctly remember it had that curved thing. And I was a kid then, and Swati was the elder girl in the society, and it was her cycle, and first time I drove it, and I was like, wow, I'm like free, liberation, and I still, so it has always been part of our lives. And in fact, when we were in the US, I remember buying a very, very expensive, like that cycle stand for the minivan. Achha. So we actually had 3 cycles loaded on it. My cycle had a little seat for Tanvi. Achha. It was her cycle and Trisha's cycle. And that damn thing was so expensive because it could swing open. We had the minivan, jiska darwaja piche se aisa khulta hai. So anytime we go camping and all, we needed that thing to open. So the cycle has to swing open. So that's like a really heavy duty one. Kuch to 2,500 ka that dollars ka wo stand tha, I remember. So it was that important part of our life in the sense. And when we came back, I think the pandemic kind of triggered it because we were active people and kuch thani, and
Right.
And thankfully, one of my Loyola buddies said, "Let's start cycling." And he was already cycling. Sonju was already cycling, and I just saw a rusted old cycle in the society. I posted on the group saying, "Whose cycle is this? Can I use it?" Somebody said, "Sure, take it. It's yours, free." So I spent some 3,000 rupees on it, made it up to date, and that's it. That's how I started cycling again. And thank God.
So fun times began.
Right.
सो मला माहिती आहे की पहिली टूर वॉज म्हणजे विथ अस वॉज कोस्टल कच. सो हाऊ डिड दॅट कम अप, म्हणजे वाय डिड यू अप्रोच अस किंवा समथिंग अबाउट दॅट?
So I mean, we started cycling, and then pretty much somewhere towards that, Nitin Karke, one of our Loyola boys, his elder brother,
येस.
Ketan was supposed to be there, and then Ketan had some incident, something he couldn't go.
Yeah.
So then,
He was there with us for the first run of Kutch.
correct.
Yeah.
And so this conversation came up, and then since we have been thought about cycling, in hindsight, that Coastal Kutch was really very aggressive first ride for us,
I know.
given how much of riding we had done prior to that. But again, lot of credit to Speaking Wheels. I still remember Rahul helping me after that first day, sitting there and massaging my legs, because by God, I was in pain that day. It was a lot of fun, but a lot of pain. So then that's how, through the Nitin Joshi connection, they said, "Chalo, let's go on this ride. Sounds like fun." Plus, Sonju, one of our friends, is an avid photographer, birder. He said, after that, we'll do that, the wild ass of Runwala part. So we kind of merged that along with this, and we did that trip.
And Deepa, when did you decide ki you also want, because the first tour you weren't very sure.
Yes, yes.
कारण आपण बोललो होतो
बरोबर
आणि
आहे,
तेव्हा तू
बरोबर
म्हणाली
आहे.
होतीस की
हो, हो.
मला माहित नाही मला एवढं जमेल
हो,
का
हो,
and stuff like that.
हो. I was not sure.
तो मग what made you
अमित ट्राईड इज बेस्ट की चल तू पण योगा टीचर आहेस वगैरे, पण आय वॉज नॉट शुअर, लाईक अगेन यू सेड 50+, सो आय न्यू आय कुड पुल 40-50, पण 100 किलोमीटर्स. मग मनोज केम बॅक फ्रॉम द ट्रिप, अँड फ्रॉम देअर इट सेल्फ वेन वी वर ऑन कॉल, ही सेज यू हॅव टू मीट दिस ग्रुप. खूपच धमाल ग्रुप आहे. सो ही केप्ट सेइंग दॅट ऑल अलॉंग, अँड देन आय फेल्ट, ओ माय गॉड, आय मिस्ड इट. So when he came back again, I borrowed a cycle from one of our friends because we were not sure मी करेन म्हणून. पण all along Manoj is like, you have to meet Speaking Wheels gang, you have to meet them. And so I did cycle before, short distance, but we started coming on the weekend rides with you all, and slowly I started feeling confident about, and then it was just so nice meeting everybody. The group, everybody helps each other. I never felt like I was slow or I was, so it became it was a nice comfort zone.
Right.
And I started really enjoying the cycle rides.
Right.
And yeah, of course, that I got hooked.
मला असं नीट माहिती आहे की एव्हरी टाइम वी स्पीक ऑन हाऊ डिड यू जॉईन आणि मग कसं नाव इट्स अ नाईस कम्युनिटी. यू ऑलवेज मेन्शन दॅट फॉर समबडी हू इज ऑन द अदर साइड ऑफ द 50, it's difficult to make new friends or catch up on a new hobby. So that is what you keep mentioning all the time. So I'm sure there are a lot of people who might relate to this aspect of yours. So I want you to elaborate on that.
Yeah, I mean, one thing was very clear for me is I wanted something that we both do in common. I wanted to encourage that, because she was going down her yoga and a little bit of spirituality, and I was not I'm still not there yet. I'm still having fun and trying to enjoy my, live my teenage years all over again, etc. So I wanted something that so the cycling seemed like one avenue that we could go down together, which is why I definitely pushed her to try this out a lot more. But the fact of the matter is, as you age, you kind of get set in your ways. आपल्याला ते जमत नाही आता. नवीन लोक आलं आणि कधी कधी the things they say, patience पण कमी झालं. Everything is it's there. So it's very hard to make new friends. It's a fact. I'm not. It's nothing new here. So and then having lived a large part of our lives in the US, our values and sensibilities were slightly different from the average Indian, if you may. Nothing wrong in it. It's just the way it is.
It's different.
So love for outdoors, focus on safety, things like that, which you don't normally see. It is, and it was inherently there in the cycling community with Speaking Wheels. A lot of it, love for outdoors. You have to love the outdoors if you're a cycling person. It's coming kind of synonymous. So, and then also I noticed safety was a big part. The group thing, the lights, the helmets, and all that thing. It was very nice that we so we clicked. And along it, the sense of humor, the fun aspect of it, it was just a nice.
Very
fine-
like-minded people.
Correct. So that's why it was great. I still stand by my statement. It's hard to make new friends, but I'm very glad we found Speaking Wheels. So we have a lot more fun now.
And Speaking Wheels, we found different age group people also that we actually gelled with.
True,
It is not necessarily, age did not limit our friendships. Yeah.
Right.
And a lot of like-minded people from all different areas of life coming together. So the conversations are also very different, very refreshingly new and fun. So yeah, that's why. Yeah, we
And the
started enjoying.
And the love of Old Monk, my God. It's an amazing common factor.
We'll have to beep this out.
Why?
No, absolutely.
स्पीकिंग व्हील्स मध्ये असे बरेच कपल्स आहेत हू हॅव एनरोल्ड देमसेल्स ॲज मेंबर्स आणि दे कम विथ अस ऑन टूर्स अँड आय थिंक दॅट्स अ नाईस वे टू गो ॲज अ कपल ऑन अ सायकलिंग हॉलिडे वॉट वी कॉल इट.
So, I mean, we've been for almost all the speaking wheel rides. So I don't keep count.
We don't miss anything unless we just cannot make it.
सो प्रॉब्ली त्याच्यात पण मजा आहे की इट्स अ व्हेरी डिफरंट वे ऑफ हॅव्हिंग दिस हॉलिडे. सो यू सायकल, यू आर स्टील टुगेदर, यू आर विथ अदर पीपल, यू मिक्स अराउंड. सो
It's perfect for us. That's what we absolutely love to do, right? Even before, doing some kind of activity was part of our vacations.
Correct.
But this fit in perfectly, going out and, going into the rustic areas and seeing, for example, Assam on a cycle was a completely different experience than it would be otherwise, right?
Very true. And if I may, the journey itself, traveling by train, such an alien thing we do, but with Speaking Wheels, it's part of the norm, and we look forward to it. That whole concept of sitting in one bogie and just gabbing and just yakking late into night, eating snacks. It's things we used to do
Like
as
back to
kids.
school.
बॅक टू स्कूल मस्त. दॅट्स अ व्हेरी नाईस
Such a fun thing.
स्टेटमेंट. बॅक टू स्कूल.
And now cycling is part of our
Regular vacations,
Yeah. In the past, when our kids were younger, we did do those separate resort kind of things. But now the kids are also older, and so they kind of do their own thing. We're not that much into. But when we do go with them, the cycles are typically in the car on the back, and mom and dad keep doing their things when we go there.
Thailand, when we went, we did Bangkok, remember that cycling tour?
Right,
with the
right.
kids.
Recently, Bali also, we were on cycles.
We didn't go see Bali as a tourist, we were cycling on the beach. So it's
त्यामुळे बालीत तुमचे फोटो लावले असतील की इंडियातनं सायकलिंग.
absolutely.
No, so it's part of the fun now, and
मजा येते.
I have learned to appreciate how it's very different going to a place when you see it through a cycle, when you're cycling through a place, as opposed to sitting in a slightly antiseptic environment like a car or something. It's not that it has its own merits. I'm not denying that, but to go and cycle in a place and then interact with the local whatever, the people, the food, the flavors, it's amazing. Very different experience.
आणि ते कचला तो किंवा आसामला होतो द वे दे पीपल कम आणि टॉक टू अस ते पण एकदम इट्स.
ते वेस्ट ब्रह्मपुत्राच्या ट्रिपला तुला आठवतं त्या स्ट्रेचवर यू सेड की ती दोज मदर्स ड्रॉपिंग देअर चिल्ड्रेन एक्सपिरियन्स आपण तिथे थांबून त्यांच्याबरोबर इंटरॅक्ट केलं, गप्पा मारल्या. इट इज अन युनिक एक्सपिरियन्स. यू वोंट फाइंड इट. कार मध्ये हा एक्सपिरियन्स कधी नाही आला, कधीच नाही.
प्रॉब्ली यू वोंट म्हणजे यू वोंट स्टॉप आणि आस्क ऑर फॉर द लोकल्स ऑल्सो इट जस्ट अनदर टुरिस्ट.
Yeah, absolutely.
We were cycling with them and they were all looking at us. It's like, wow, this is so nice.
Going into the farms and
the
taking
parents,
pictures.
father and mothers taking their kids on a cycle. I mean,
Amazing.
Where else do you see this? I think it's
Ladies
amazing.
cycle, जुनी.
So you mentioned about your kids. So you have 2 daughters. So how grown up daughters. So how have they reacted to this new hobby and new friends of yours?
First of all, they think we are crazy. Let me put it out there. We always had this, outdoor lifestyle, or like when we were in the US, we did skydiving, we did rafting. But madhe few years when the children were growing up, we are all busy with raising them, and risk taking खूप कमी
बरोबर.
झालं होतं
Most of
त्यावेळेस.
them will
हां,
relate to this.
सगळ्यांनाच ते कळणार. पण आता मुली मोठ्या झाल्या, दे आर वर्किंग नाव, बोथ ऑफ देम आर वर्किंग नाव, सो दे लव्ह दॅट वी बोथ आर एबल टू गेट आउट अँड डू ट्रॅव्हल टुगेदर. तर त्यांना ते खूप आवडतं. आणि अरे तुम्ही हे दॅ फ्रेंड्स ऑल्सो, ओ वाव तुमचे पेरेंट्स काय काय करतात. सो दे थिंक लाईक overall it's a little crazy, but they're loving, they're very encouraging, right Manoj?
Without a doubt.
आणि घरातून बाहेर आहेत. That's the best part.
Yeah, I guess.
हो ना. या तुम्ही when is your next trip?
हो, आणि इन्सिडेंटली तुम्ही दोघंही जाता त्यामुळे दे आर मोर हॅपी. घरी कोणीच नाही.
Very true. So they think it's great that we're doing something as a couple, and we're doing
Absolutely.
something together that we both enjoy and having a lot of fun at. So I think they do appreciate it. They think we're a little crazy at times for the, you did how much today? Those kind of things, questions do come up. But I think as long as we're having fun, we're really
I think
cool.
our happiness matters, so I think they're very happy about that.
Very nice. So, like I mentioned in the introduction, you are a avid sports person. म्हणजे I know you play good tennis, you enjoy a game of badminton, a TT, and you play your golf and you take it very seriously. So, has cycling kind of benefited you in your fitness journey? किंवा आधी सायकलिंगच्या आधी your fitness आणि आता has there been a change?
Sea change, huge change.
Okay.
Whereas earlier I used to play, I always enjoyed playing. I hate going to the gym and doing those kind of things. But anything related to games, I'm up for it.
Right.
And so now, but once I started cycling and I realized the human body is amazing, and in that how much you stretch it and how it comes back. So I've learned a lot about myself, and I have a lot of regrets that I didn't start this earlier. I wish I had met Dhananjay Bodas, Amit Gadgil, and Suraj Kurtarkar much earlier in life. I would have been a far more fitter person. But I'm very grateful to that. And now, regarding, fitness-wise, I'm much fitter. No question about it. I can play baddie much better. TT's always been good. Golf, I now walk. Earlier, golf was to be this, sit in the cart and chill out. Now I can, and like Pune Club, for example, is a walking course. Oxford, where I am a member, is a kart course.
Okay.
And Pune Club, you had to walk, and एक बार Pune Club खेला तो मेरा ऐसा हवा tight, because you end up walking 7 kilometers, and you're just not used to it. Now I can do it easily. In fact, I even walk at Oxford. Oxford, you still have to take a cart. You don't have a choice. But the cart वो caddy चलाता है, मैं चलता हूँ इस side. And Oxford is a hilly course. So it actually does take quite a bit out of you. But I'm fine now. So a lot of different.
Sahi, this is amazing.
Yeah.
And he's more disciplined about fitness also. That I see that change in him. That because he has cycling, all his new challenges, that or whatever he thinks about, he's more motivated to be more fitter.
I still have goals. I need to reach more high levels. But yeah.
Literally also.
I have good.
You have to reach
role
more.
models.
आणि तुला योगामध्ये कसं म्हणजे अगेन फरक आहे किंवा तुझ्याकडे सायकलिस्ट येतात, यू सी अ चेंज इन युअर स्टुडंट्स ऑल्सो की सायकलिस्ट पण खूप यायला लागलेत, म्हणजे हाव हॅज या
So let me begin with how cycling, because this angle, हा अँगल खूप वेगळा आहे की सायकलिंग मला कसं बेनिफिट करतं. सो माझ्यासाठी आता सायकलिंग इज लाईक मेडिटेशन. ओके, वन्स आय एम आउट, इट इज ब्युटिफुल सरीन एन्व्हायरमेंट, फ्रेश एअर, अँड आय मीन माय थॉट प्रोसेस नॉट नेसेसरी मी कुणाबरोबर सायकल करते. थोड्या वेळ आपण गप्पा मारतो, मग कोण पुढे निघतं, कोण मागे जातं. तर त्यामुळे तो माझा टाइम इज ब्युटिफुल. आय ॲब्सोल्युटली लव्ह इट. I used to do that a lot while running, but I think cycling is much better because the scenery changes. Okay, you move and आपण 15-20 मिनिटं सायकल केलं की पुण्याच्या बाहेर जातो, आणि माझ्यासाठी ते खूप प्रेशियस टाइम आहे. आय वोंट गिव्ह इट अप फॉर एनिथिंग. आणि ऑफकोर्स सायकलिंगने मला एन्ड्युरन्समध्ये खूप फरक वाटतोय. आणि आता लेट मी टाय इन योगा विथ सायकलिंग फॉर मायसेल्फ फर्स्ट. की आय डोंट, माझं ब्रेथ, आय एम नेवर आउट ऑफ ब्रेथ नो मॅटर. सो अनलेस इट्स लाईक अ रिअली टफ स्लोप, माय ब्रेथ इज ऑलवेज, म्हणजे मला माय थाईज माईट हर्ट अ लिटल बिट बट माय ब्रेथ इज ऑलवेज फाईन. आणि योगाची प्रॅक्टिस असल्यामुळे आय एम स्ट्रॉंग, आय एम एबल टू पुल लॉंग डिस्टन्सेस. Now as a group, I'm able to help people recover with stretches and all that. And yes, I have a few cyclists coming to me now that I have cycled. My understanding to help people is much better, and I'm able to help them better. They are seeing better results. So yes, definitely it ties in beautifully together. So
कारण आम्हाला म्हणजे लेट मी से इट हिअर की योगा बाय दीपा म्हणजे ती जेव्हा पण आमच्या टूरवर असते तेव्हा आफ्टर एव्हरी राईड ती एखादं स्ट्रेचिंग सेशन घेते सकाळी स्टार्ट करायच्या आधी, अँड इट रिअली मेक्स अ डिफरन्स. सो एनीबडी वॉन्टिंग टू जॉईन योगा, प्लीज कॉन्टॅक्ट योगा बाय दीपा. सो थँक्स फॉर दॅट ऑल्सो, कारण प्रत्येक टूरला वी हॅव ऑब्झर्व दॅट यू हॅव बीन रिअली टेकिंग दॅट एफर्ट की कोणाला तरी त्रास होतोय, दुखतंय काहीतरी, देन यू टेल देम की हे करा. आणि
पण मला आवडतं ते करायला.
पण इट ऑलवेज हेल्प्स, म्हणजे अगेन देर इज अ सेन्स ऑफ दॅट कम्युनिटी की
Correct.
तू असं यू आर जस्ट टेलिंग देम ॲज अ फ्रेंड, ॲज अ को पार्टिसिपंट. म्हणजे असं कुठेच काही नसतं की यू आर डुईंग अ फेवर किंवा असं
So it's a give and take.
हां, सो ते खूप असं छान वाटतं तेव्हा.
Full feeling, yeah.
So any of your, so there were a few Loyola boys in that Kutch tour. त्याच्यामधला संजय अधिकारी again is a regular member. Sunil was there for some days. So तुमच्या बाकीच्या ग्रुपमध्ये anybody is encouraged by you, म्हणजे same question for you also की your yoga circles. So this age group looking at you, has anybody really said ki oh I want to do this, we want to do this?
I'm not sure if I can give you a name. I know, like all my colleagues, the younger ones and all, they're all very inspired. They look at me and they say, "Wow, yaar, this is मेरे को भी करना है, कराला पाहिजे." Exactly. There's a lot of that. Sumit, I'm glad we got Sumit into, we had Sumit who used to be...
He's gone viral now.
he used to do these crazy things by himself. Now he's in the Speaking Wheels fold and he's...
Basically your neighbor.
And
Yeah,
but he's a much better rider now. He's a much stronger rider. He's a safer rider. So a lot of benefits that way. I take some...
रेशमा also, त्याची बायको पण.
One of our older friends who used to cycle had given up cycling, so to speak, and now when he saw us, he is kind of inspired. He started cycling again.
Very good.
So Vikas has started cycling again. So there are incidents like that. I think my brother-in-law Deepak, he's also seeing our lifestyle, and I've seen a lot of changes in him.
Nice.
He's a lot more fitness oriented. He plays games now, and you can see him do his exercises regularly. So I think
Absolutely.
it's there in the sphere of influence.
Nice.
But I'm not sure if I can take specific names in that sense.
Talking about inspiring people.
हाँ.
So since I started riding, I don't put lot of cycling posts, but I do regularly.
Correct.
Do post about my rides, and I get lot of inquiries.
Right.
Especially women. Lot of women wanting to know की तू कुठल्या ग्रुप बरोबर सायकलिंग
बरोबर.
करते. आणि सगळ्यांना वाटतंय माय लाईफ इज सो मच फन. सिरियसली इवन माय US फ्रेंड्स आर कॉन्स्टंटली कॉलिंग मी अँड आस्किंग मी की तुमचं लाईफ, you guys are always fun, you're traveling. So I do give them all the information, and they want to ride with me.
Right,
Most of
right,
the women,
right.
Because they're very scared to get out. पहिल्यांदा आम्ही लहानपणी सायकलिंग केलं,
बरोबर,
त्याच्यानंतर मी सायकलिंग
बरोबर,
केलं नाही
बरोबर.
असं खूप जण म्हणतात.
बरोबर.
सो मी त्यांना ऑफर केलंय की तुम्ही या माझ्या बरोबर, मी शॉर्ट डिस्टन्स सायकलिंग करेन.
बरोबर.
सो मी त्याच्यासाठी त्यांना हे पण सांगितलं की तुम्ही सायकल सुरुवातीला घ्यायची गरज नाही.
Correct.
आम्ही पण दोघं बॉरो करून
Yeah, and that is what we also keep endorsing.
हा. आणि आजकाल तर आता रेंटिंगचं पण ऑप्शन
Correct, correct.
तो रेंट करू शकतो. आणि मी त्यांना तुझा नंबर देते की त्यांना समजा रेंटिंगचं
Correct.
नाही माहिती किंवा सायकलिंग रिलेटेड
Yes.
एनिथिंग, मी त्यांना खूपदा त्यांना तुझा नंबर
Correct.
दिलेला
Yes,
आहे.
of course.
सो असं आय एम एबल टू माझ्या सोसायटीमधल्या बायका पण, त्यांना पण भीती वाटते. सो दे हॅव
Correct.
सायकल्स. So we do go on a 5 kilometer, 10 kilometer ride together just to get them to feel पण खूप बायकांना असं कॉन्शियस वाटतं, अरे ग्रुपचे फोटोज बघितलं ना की अरे मी फिट इन होईन का.
करेक्ट.
सो मी त्यांना तेच म्हणलं की माझी पण सायकलिंग जर्नी, मनोज असल्यामुळे ऑफकोर्स आम्ही दोघे जातो, पण आपल्या सायकलिंग ग्रुपमध्ये किती जण आहेत जे एकट्या येतात.
Right.
लॉट ऑफ विमेन
Right.
हू कम
Right.
अलोन. सो आय
Right.
कीप टॉकिंग टू देम दॅट कम विथ मी.
करेक्ट.
एकटं जायचं नसेल तर माझ्याबरोबर
बरोबर.
सो in my own way I'm trying to get them to be comfortable, and of course in our friend circle people want, but that inertia is there. So
राईट.
let's hope
आय नो.
पुढे अजून लोक
Yes.
आपल्या
नक्की.
ग्रुपला जॉईन करतील. आणि
So you have mentioned ki you used to cycle in the US. So after coming back, cycling in US against cycling in India. तू मगाशी थोडंसं टच केलंस की सेफ्टी वगैरे, पण
Right. So-
एक्सपिरियन्स वाईज आय एम आस्किंग ओव्हरऑल.
I think the one thing that both of us insist upon is safety.
राईट.
जर तू लोनर सायकल घेतला तरी चालेल, पण हेल्मेट पाहिजे,
राईट.
ते रिफ्लेक्टर्स पाहिजे, लाईट्स पाहिजे. These are all non-negotiable points that
Correct.
you tell everybody.
Absolutely.
Correct.
Because that is a must. It is
Right.
not you don't do anything like that.
Right.
It's as simple as that. And then comparing the experiences. So to be honest, US madhe we were beginners because we had a small family, young family. in that
Okay.
sense. So we didn't really do the long
Long
rides
tours.
and anything like
Correct.
that. We take our cycles along. And the US where we stayed, it would you need to basically go out of the city, and that means getting into a car and driving across and then parking. So but we used to go for camping a lot. So weekend la गाडी cycle टाकायचं आणि मग जायचं. You have to drive 3-4 hours. तिथे you park your vehicle, pitch your tent, and there inside the park you can cycle around.
Okay.
Yeah, trails etc.
Correct.
So it used to be that. It's you, like she said, 15-20 minutes you cycle, you're pretty much out of the city. We're
Right.
fortunate. And Pune is blessed that way.
Yes,
Very-
100%.
Very lucky to live in a place like this.
100%.
Where you have vast, diverse types of
Correct.
locations that you can go to. I mean, there's so many small lakes. I mean, there's nice, good climbs and long distance flat stretches. There are little ghat sections.
Correct.
So you can do a lot of things with it. So
Perfect.
it's different in that sense. So we are enjoying cycling definitely far more here. Tithe it was a slightly different
आणि
time in our
आपण
lives.
आपल्याला तिथे कोण ग्रुप नव्हता ना, आपण फक्त टू
Yeah.
ऑफ अस.
हां.
Big
We
difference.
didn't. So I'm telling you that I would have loved to cycle a lot more there. पण एकटी निघालं ना की बोर होऊन जायचं थोड्या वेळात.
Correct.
की there was no motivation to keep going.
करेक्ट.
So I feel that is
Very
a
true, very
big
true. The
difference
fact that we
where
have a group here
this
makes a big
community
Barabar.
makes it a lot more fun.
You meet so many different
Yes.
people from all kinds of all
Yes,
walks
yes.
of life, different professions.
Absolutely.
त्यामुळे the interactions are always fun.
So
आणि
in comparison तिथे रोड्स वगैरे चांगले होते.
Right.
There's a cycling lane and everything. But at times you need company.
हाँ,
You
the
need that
people
fun
connect.
element.
हाँ.
You need, for example, I don't remember. Did you know if we knew how to repair a puncture there?
No way.
आपल्याला काय माहिती होतं की तिथे सायकल घेऊन जायचं आणि काय प्रॉब्लेम झालं की सायकल लोड करायची आणि घरी घेऊन टाकायचं. पण इथे आल्यापासून दॅट हॅज चेंज. वी अटेंडेड
Puncture repair.
अमित सिंग सायकलिंग वर्कशॉप अटेंड करा. आम्ही मदत करणार नाही. तुम्ही
ते
काय
जसं
मदत
But it is
करता.
very important
है ना?
because it gives us a lot of confidence.
हां, म्हणजे माझा स्टोरी अशी आहे की मी जेव्हा सायकलिंग करायला लागलो आणि माझं पहिलं पंक्चर झालं तेव्हा somebody told me who was an expert की मी तुला पूजा सांगणार, पूजा तू करायची आणि दॅट इज हाव आय रिपेअर माय फर्स्ट पंक्चर. आणि मला मग ते आय हॅव काइंड ऑफ डिसाइडेड की आय विल ऑल्सो डू इट दॅट वे सो दॅट एव्हरीबडी इज कम्फर्टेबल इन रिपेअरिंग अ पंक्चर ॲटलिस्ट.
So when he's traveling, that's what I have to do.
हां, एक्झॅक्टली वॉट आय वॉन्टेड टू आस्क की नेसेसरी म्हणजे आय नो फॉर अ फॅक्ट की तुम्ही असं काय नाही की तुम्ही एकत्रच सायकलिंग करता. हा जेव्हा दुसरीकडे असतो तेव्हा यू डू
Yes, absolutely. तुला आठवतं ते खडकवासल्याच्या राईडला, दॅट इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट ब्युटिफुल
राईट.
राईड्स. आय हॅड टू जॉईन हाफ वे.
Yeah.
मम्मी सायकल टाकली आणि मी उशिरा पोहोचले. इट वॉज अ रश बट वेल आय एम डुईंग एव्हरीथिंग ऑन माय ओन नाउ.
सो यू कॅन रॅक अ सायकल.
सायकल ते टाय राखी
हां.
फ्रॉम आवर ग्रुप अगेन.
करेक्ट.
ती एकटीच येते मोस्ट ऑफ द
हो,
टाइम्स.
बरोबर.
आम्ही सगळे आता एक वी आर इन्स्पायर्ड.
टेक्निकली ऑल्सो काय म्हणजे यू हॅव बीन देर इज अ लॉट ऑफ इन्क्रीज इन युअर नॉलेज किंवा
Definitely. So things, technical terms like cadence, for example, and the fact we all now understand our bodies. We all have those devices, handheld devices, that help us, understand how our body is doing. And then realizing कि boss इसका मतलब यहाँ पे आता है तो now I'm hitting a wall. I need to work on this aspect of it. Makes a big difference. And then now I understand the different types of cycles, the kind of areas what
He's watching Tour de France now constantly.
ॲक्च्युली दॅट्स अ गुड इनपुट. म्हणजे आधी नसेल बघितलेलं ना.
No, and it's huge appreciation.
Right.
France earlier when I used to watch was like, boy, a bunch of cycles going really fast.
I know.
The summary.
Yes.
But now when you sit there and you understand how to read that screen आणि हे म्हणतात gradient असं आहे. So you understand gradient म्हणजे 100 मीटरला एवढं वरती गेलं. And then you've cycled it and you cycle on a slope. I've done when you do Aminali and you said, oh, that's a gradient is 6-7%. You have a much better appreciation of
Right.
what those guys are doing.
Right.
Then you look at the speeds at which they're performing and then you realize, my God, these guys are just superhumans.
एखादा असा छान मेमोरेबल. सो द इन्सिडेंट माइट बी डिफरंट फॉर यू पण सम मेमोरेबल इन्सिडेंट दॅट यू विल नेवर फॉरगेट. म्हणजे आत्तापर्यंतच्या राईड्समध्ये आय एम शुअर की अजून पुढच्या राईड्समध्ये अजून छान काहीतरी इन्सिडेंट्स
दर
असेल.
राईडमध्ये.
एक्झॅक्टली.
फॉर मी आपण वेस्ट ब्रह्मपुत्र जी राईड केली आठवतंय पहिल्या दिवशी 100 किलोमीटर.
येस.
अँड देन वी जम्प्ड इन टू दॅट लेक.
वॉटर.
तू
येस.
सांगितलं होतंस की कीप युअर स्विमवेअर.
येस.
पण वी ॲक्च्युली जम्प्ड इन विथ आवर सायकलिंग.
पोस्ट दॅट 100.
It was the most amazing. It was pretty much ice cold water.
येस.
We all jumped in, and I can never get over that. It was the perfect recovery, and that I can remember that scene. I can replay it in my mind all the time. So yeah,
It's very hard to summarize. Every
Which
trip
one,
is
yeah.
so
Unique.
filled with such unique snippets. The entire northeastern part of India that we did
Right.
with Speaking Wheels was amazing. So many memories. That cycling with the parents as they drop their kids.
Yeah.
That's etched in my memory.
Yeah.
The jumping into the cold water, that was one. And so many funny little incidents. That one place we stayed that one night where
Oh, yes.
oh my God, that night I will never forget. I remember
you
that.
changed that location, but that was
Oh,
one of the
what
most
an
funniest
evening. What an
nights.
evening.
बट आय ऑल्सो थिंक की आपली कम्युनिटी असल्यामुळे
Absolutely.
द वन ऑफ द वर्स्ट प्लेसेस वर्स्ट म्हणजे द फॅसिलिटीज वेअर लिटल ऑन द डाऊन साईड.
It didn't matter.
या इट डिडंट मॅटर. आणि
It was memorable. Are you
Yes.
kidding me? The fact that those facilities, those bathrooms with those doors that weren't locked in properly, it made for such an hilarious evening.
Yeah.
Unbelievable fun. So yeah, some of those memories are and but yeah, like I said, it's very hard to condense so many things and pack
Right.
it for an audience. You have to go on these trips. You have to experience it, and then you will formulate your own memorable experience.
सो आता व्हॉट नेक्स्ट काय तुम्ही फोकस करताय. म्हणजे आय नो फॉर अ फॅक्ट की तुला एक छान तो क्लाइम्बिंग चॅलेंज जो आहे तो एक टेक ऑफ करायचा आहे. आय एम शुअर की आपण आता नवीन टूर्स ज्या काढतोय यू विल डेफिनेटली बी पार्ट ऑफ इट. पण असं काय स्पेसिफिक आहे की हे अजून माझं राहिलं आहे, हे मला करायचं आहे.
I mean, I want to keep cycling not very competitive. So
Right.
But yes, I do have some targets, goals that I'd like to achieve.
Competitive नाही आहे.
I'm trying.
दिस वी विल टेक ऑफ एअर.
Fine. So definitely, I want to do the 4 ghats once before. I want to do
Yes.
4 ghats. I have a feeling I want to do a BRM.
Okay.
Just to experience it, not for any other reason, but to experience. I'm not sure. I have a feeling I won't enjoy it too much. But yeah, that's one thing on my tick off list. I want to cycle once in Europe. I want to go on a Europe cycling trip because Itla culture is only different.
Correct.
Cycling is an integral part of it. I actually want to organize a cycling trip in Kerala.
येस दॅट वी हॅव बीन बिहाइंड यू फॉर अ लॉंग टाईम. बिईंग पार्ट ऑफ द कम्युनिटी दिस हेल्प्स. म्हणजे आम्ही हक्काने याला सांगू शकतो की तू केरळामध्ये जात असतोस, तू प्लीज ऑर्गनाईज कर आणि देन वी विल गो ॲज अ कम्युनिटी. इट रिअली मेक्स. सो आम्हाला पण ते असं छान वाटतं की आम्ही काही लोकांना असं बिंदास सांगू शकतो.
सो मला एक पॉईंट इथे म्हणजे रिगार्डिंग मनोज, नॉट माय सेल्फ, आय वुड लाईक टू से इज दॅट ही डिड द मॉन्सून क्लासिक
येस.
और सह्याद्री क्लासिक. सुरुवातीला जेव्हा तो मला म्हणला की मला ही चॅलेंज करायची, आय वॉज अरे कशाला आता नको जाऊ दे. पण ही वॉज व्हेरी वेल गायडेड फ्रॉम द मेंबर्स ऑफ आवर ग्रुप.
करेक्ट.
That is very important for
Correct.
me because we, like you said, we've crossed 50.
Right.
So we have to think twice before.
Yes,
And
true.
more than him, he being himself, he doesn't think much. But I'm always, ki arey, why do you want to
Yeah,
take up? Why
obviously.
just let's keep this as fun. But I realized that he got a lot of support. He got a lot of technical help from members from the group. And that actually really helps, people take these challenges
Yes,
or sign
correct,
up for these
correct,
challenges.
correct.
And the support before, while, and after was amazing.
Correct.
So I
Correct.
think now, if he says he wants to take up something again crazy, I at least know कि आहे कोणीतरी त्याला guide करणार.
Who probably not are as crazy as it.
No, but a lot of credit to you, Amit, for that, because I know you have always encouraged me, and where I was very skeptical of my own abilities, you have always seen that in me, and so I'm truly grateful for that.
Thank
I'm
you.
always scared, Amit. तू करू शकतोस. I'm always goal oriented in terms of next कुठली ट्रिप करायची.
So आम्ही ऑलरेडी अॅन्युअल कॅलेंडर टाकलेलं आहे,
Yes.
त्यामुळे यू नो
So
वेअर टू
it
कम.
is more fun. Yes, I do. I have done 100 kilometers, and I have certain small goals. पसरणी केलं, आता बघू त्याच्यानंतर
करेक्ट.
माझे फिटनेस लेवल्स मॅटर करतात. What lot of factors go in when I'm going cycling every day. But yes, there's small goals, and like I said, there is support from the group as to की तू करू शकतेस.
बरोबर. तर जनरली आपल्याकडे असा कॉन्सेप्ट आहे की एकटी बाई सायकलिंग करते तर सेफ्टी कन्सर्न काय आहे, किंवा रेस्टरूम आपल्याकडे काय असे पब्लिक टॉयलेट्स नाहीत. प्रॉब्ली दॅट मस्ट बी वन थिंग विच यू मस्ट हॅव एक्सपिरियन्स बेटर इन द US, पण इंडिया इज स्टील नॉट देअर. तर अशा वेळेला हाऊ, म्हणजे व्हॉट इज युअर टेक ऑन दॅट?
सो फर्स्ट अँड फॉरमोस्ट आय वुड लाईक टू से दॅट मी जेव्हा सायकलिंगला विकेंडला जायचा विचार करते, मी आपल्या ग्रुपवर युजली टाकते की कोण आहे का. सो मोस्ट ऑफन यू फाइंड सम रायडर्स बडीज. Most often you find, and there are sometimes there are few ladies. We are just ladies together. So now after riding for so long with our group, we know the routes very well. Okay, so we plan and curate the ride to the last डॉट, की आपल्याला एवढा वेळ लागणार आहे आणि ही राईड आहे. मोस्ट ऑफन आम्हाला माहिती असतं की या पेट्रोल पंपवर रेस्टरूम आहे. कधी असं होतं की नाही आहे. सो वी हॅव टू फाइंड आवर ओन वेज टू डू दॅट. बट आत्तापर्यंत मला असं कधी झालं नाही की आय एम ऑन अ राईड अँड आय कॅन नॉट फाइंड अ रेस्टरूम, बिकॉज लाईक आय सेड वी ऑलवेज थिंक अबाउट दीज थिंग्स. नाउ अबाउट सेफ्टी, इफ वी आर 3 or 4 of us टुगेदर, आणि अराउंड पुणे जर आपण बघितलं तर तू एकदा घराच्या बाहेर निघाली की यू विल फाइंड रनर्स, सायक्लिस्ट ऑन द रोड. सो मोस्ट ऑफन जे दुसरे सायक्लिस्ट असतात दे आर ऑल्सो लुकिंग आउट, म्हणजे यू सीन देम समवेअर, कुठलं तरी कनेक्शन. आणि आय रिमेंबर एकदा असं झालं की कुणाची तरी सायकल पंक्चर झाली अँड शी डिडंट हॅव ऑल द टूल्स दॅट नीडेड, अँड वी जस्ट स्टॉप्ड अ फेलो सायक्लिस्ट अँड आयदर दे हेल्प अस. और एका इन्सिडेंट मी मला वाटतं आम्ही तुला कॉल केला होता का काहीतरी, का कुणाला तरी कॉल केला अँड दॅट पर्सन केम. सो दॅट फिअर इज नॉट देअर एनीमोर की आपण सकाळी एकटं निघालं तर आपल्याला हेल्प नाही आहे. आपण एकटी क्वचितच जाते. व्हेरी रेअरली आय गो अलोन, बट इवन देन आय एम नॉट स्केर्ड, बिकॉज आय से इवन आपल्या त्या पाषाण रोडवर जो बावधानमधून जातो तिथे कॉन्स्टंटली रनर्स. सो आय एम choose a road where there are people. I don't explore a route by myself where there is no traffic. So one has to plan that well, not to venture off in the wilderness alone. Yeah, so that's what we have learned from all our rides now, and it works perfectly.
येस, कारण आपण पण मोस्टली टूर्सवर वी फाइंड पेट्रोल pumps for कारण ladies restrooms I feel सध्या पेट्रोल पंप्सवर दे आर वन ऑफ द बेस्ट प्लेसेस टू.
आणि आतापर्यंत माझ्या एक्सपिरियन्सने आपल्या राईड्समध्ये सगळे स्टॉप्स असेच प्लॅन्ड असतात की वी गेट टू यूज अ प्रॉपर रेस्ट रूम.
And if I may add, I think one of the other things we as a group kind of practice is पोचलो, you know, एक message येतो. Typically it's there. It's there. I've started.
Everybody in the group is also concerned if I'm out alone.
It's a very healthy feeling, and then everybody knows, acha, we're good to go, and it's Salah. So I think it's a very nice, healthy thing that we all do, and now it's kind of become second nature. So it's a very nice thing.
So there is no fear as such going out alone.
Nice. So like I mentioned some time back, दीपा इज अ योगा इन्स्ट्रक्टर. तिचं बाणेरमध्ये स्टुडिओ आहे, योगा बाय दीपा. आता ती आलीच आहे, तर आय वॉन्ट टू टेक सम टिप्स अबाउट योगा अँड सायकलिंग. हाऊ डज योगा हेल्प मी? फॉर एक्झाम्पल की इट्स मोर ऑफ द लेग्स, तर मी काय माझ्या रुटीनमध्ये ॲड करू? की योगा समजा ॲड केलं किंवा स्ट्रेचिंग केलं, तर हा म्हणजे तू त्याच्याबद्दल थोडंसं एलॅबोरेट करणार, म्हणजे बऱ्याच लोकांना ह्याचा फायदा होईल.
आता माझ्या एक्सपिरियन्समध्ये असं आहे की लोकांना वाटतं योगा म्हणजे स्ट्रेचिंग. योगा म्हणजे स्ट्रेचिंग नाही आहे. स्ट्रेचिंग इज वन पार्ट ऑफ योगा. ओके, तर आपण आता सायक्लिस्ट असल्यामुळं आपल्याला लोअर बॉडी लेग मसल्सला स्ट्रेंथन करणं खूप गरजेचं आहे. सो देर आर पॉस्चर्स, योगा पॉस्चर्स पण आहेत. Warrior series, Virabhadrasan 1, Virabhadrasan 2, squats. There are yogic squats, and everybody knows your regular squats, lunges. आपले glutes, hamstrings. आपण very often glutes आणि hamstringsला ignore करतो. आणि we always working on our quads. ओके, सो ग्लूट्स हॅमस्ट्रिंग्सचे पण वर्कआउट इन्क्लूड करायला पाहिजेत. आणि मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंटली मोबिलिटीवर वर्क करायला पाहिजे. सो आपण सायकलिंग करायच्या आधी वॉर्मअप करणं खूप गरजेचं आहे. सो यू वॉर्मअप द मसल्स अँड देन गेट ऑन युअर सायकल. सो इंजुरीचे चान्सेस खूप कमी होतात. सो देर आर सम योगिक वॉर्मअप, देर आर सम बेसिक वॉर्मअप्स दॅट आर समथिंग दॅट एव्हरीबडी डज. Movement is the best thing to do before getting on the cycle. Okay, then when you're cycling, of course, if you have done your strength work, you will feel as a strong rider. You will be strong in your rides. Then there is a little bit of stretching, of course, recovery. So तुमच्या लॉंग डिपेंड्स ऑन तुम्ही किती किलोमीटर्सची राईड केली. आपण युजली काय करतो, जातो 10 सेकंड, हा स्ट्रेच 10 सेकंद, त्याच्याने काही होत नाही. सो आपलं यू हॅव टू स्पेंड अ गुड टाईम. डिपेंड्स ऑन युअर राईड. 30-40 किलोमीटरची राईड केली आणि तू बिगनर असेल तर तुला स्ट्रेचिंग अगेन जास्त करा. 100 किलोमीटरची राईड केली, गिव्ह युअर सेल्फ अ गुड हाफ एन आवर, मे बी नॉट राईट अवे बट ड्युरिंग द डे. रिकव्हरी खूप इम्पॉर्टंट आहे, कारण मसल्स जर रिकवर नाही झाले ना तर मग इंजुरीचे चान्सेस वाढतात. सो देर आर सम बेसिक हॅमस्ट्रिंग स्ट्रेचेस करू शकता. देन देर इज समथिंग कॉल्ड फिगर ऑफ 4, जे यु नो असं बसून करू शकतो. आपण दिवसभर काम करताना बसून खूप सगळ्या गोष्टी करू शकतो. किंवा इफ यू आर आन्सरिंग युअर फोन कॉल अँड यू पुट युअर लेग अप ऑन द टेबल अँड यू कॅन स्ट्रेच युअर हॅमस्ट्रिंग. सो असे खूप काही स्ट्रेचेस आहेत जे यू डोंट हॅव टू स्पेअर अन आवर टू डू.
आपण बोललो मगाशी, पण अगेन यू आर ऑन द अदर साइड ऑफ द 50.
वे यंग.
You are young at heart, we know that.
Absolutely, yeah.
But the number says that you are on the other side of 50. तर काही स्पेशल टिप्स किंवा समथिंग दॅट द अदर साइड ऑफ 50 people will relate to?
So as from a guy's perspective, for me, first of all, I've always been active, but I've realized now as I've aged that running, which I used to do, not really running, but playing sports, madhe running, soccer, वगैरह, my knees are not the same anymore. It's definitely taken a toll. I mean, obviously, I didn't know better. I didn't take care of them as much as I should have, etc. So cycling right now lends itself to it very well. The fact that I'm over 50 and that, you know, it's so much more easier on the overall body and definitely on your knees. There's no impact. You're just going through you're using the big muscles. But yes, what I have learned is the recovery part of it is very important. I still, like I said, the first incident I remember is when Rahul saved me on that coastal Kutch trip because he helped massage and stretch my legs. And I realized what a difference it made afterwards. And since then, and thankfully, I have a yoga wife who teaches yoga, and we have a little studio here. So I can do a lot of stretches, and it makes a big difference. I've also seen a difference when I play golf. Nowadays, in the morning, I actually wake up early and I do about 15-20 minutes of proper stretches before I start playing golf.
True.
And
Yeah.
what a difference right away on the first hole. Neither normally when I start playing, it takes 2-3 holes for the entire body to warm up, and that's when you start seeing, acha, barobar jato hai balls वगैरह. But now it's slightly different. So definitely warm up and then the stretching and the cooling down afterwards. Big difference. Big learning there.
Menopause. I love that topic now because I'm going through it myself, and most often anybody who meets me, women now, it's even early, the onset is even early. Women 40s also are facing menopause. I actually started cycling through that phase, you know. So it, like I said, it was not easy. Yeah, it was a challenge, but with Manoj's support, and like I said, you know, the group where people would cycle with me if I was slower.
Right.
And I enjoy being slow. I don't have any issue with it. So it is a challenge. It is something you face more tightness in your muscles. So and then there is irritability. Often find that if I get up in the morning and go for a cycle ride, I am better off during the day. That getting out really helps me clear my head, clear my irritation. So it is actually helping me in one way. Yeah. But cycling केल्यानंतर body tightness जास्त feel होतो than it was before.
Right.
Yeah. So all I have to do is spend a little more time, recovering,
Right.
which I'm enjoying now because I do want to cycle the next day.
Right.
Yeah, so it goes together. Again, I've added a new breathing practices for women going through menopause to help them deal with their days better.
Right.
And you don't have to stop cycling if you are. Yes, it is going. Your body is going to change. Just help yourself, you know, than looking for help. Yes, of course, I am here. I have a lot of menopausal women coming to me, and it's not only cyclists, women from all spheres are coming. But it's very important that you look for help.
Right.
Yeah, and accept that I'm going through this phase in my life.
Correct.
And I'm going to fight
Correct.
it. You don't have to leave all your activities and, you know, surrender to that, whatever you're going through. Get up every morning. It's a new challenge. It's a new day. If you need help, approach the right people for help, and keep cycling or keep doing whatever activity you're doing, and that makes it easier.
Correct.
And that makes the journey a little more pleasant or more fun,
Correct.
is what I would say.
मस्त. खूपच a very nice insight into a different aspect.
Yeah, because women hesitate talking about menopause, and there's nothing to hesitate. It's part of our life. I have a very supportive partner who, you know, is doing a lot of breathing practices. That's how I'm getting him into breathing.
No, it's tough. It's tough on both. I'm not going to deny that, and you have to.
But that support.
Yeah, you have to work your way through it.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Manoj cycles with me on weekdays.
Right.
Sometimes when we are not, and I know that he has to go really slow with me at times, and I really appreciate that. And I tell my friends, really, when Manoj is there, he really goes slow. He can finish that same ride twice the speed, but you need that support in your life.
That's not the point. The
To
point
keep
is to
going.
cycle together. So it doesn't really. Speed is immaterial.
And earn the cookies, brownie points that you are earning.
No, I'm just happy. Like I said, we're happy to get out of the house.
Yes,
It's important to not be there always. So good.
नाईस. खूपच छान वाटलं, आणि आय एम शुअर खूप लोक रिलेट करणार आहेत टू आवर टॉक दॅट वी हॅड टुडे. आणि वी ऑलवेज वॉन्ट यू टू बी अ इंटिग्रल पार्ट ऑफ स्पीकिंग विल दॅट यू आर. अरे, वी आर हॅपी टू बी स्टक विथ पीपल लाईक यू. त्यामुळे वी आर लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू यू जॉईनिंग मोर ऑफ अवर टूर्स, आणि वी होप दॅट people get encouraged by you, and more people like you join us, and our community grows stronger and bigger day by day.
सो मला एक गोष्ट म्हणायची आहे की जर स्वतःहून तुम्ही स्वतःला मोटिवेट नाही करू शकला तर जॉईन अ ग्रुप. द ॲक्टिव्हिटी बिकम्स मोर फन आणि यू एंड अप गेटिंग अप. फॉर मी इट इज अ मोटिवेशन की आय एम गोइंग टू मीट एव्हरीबडी, यू नो. सो दॅट काइंड ऑफ मेक्स मी गेट आउट ऑफ बेड इवन ऑन टफ डेज. तर फाइंड अ ग्रुप. We are here, Speaking Wheels is here, we are here. So join us on our rides, join us for a couple of rides and see how you feel, and then you can make a call.
Let's pedal to happiness together.
Thank you, Amit. Thank you, Speaking Wheels. You know, Pune has always been, used to be the cycling capital at one stage. So it is, I'm so happy that we are trying to get back to that. It's a blessing. And now with the metro coming in, you know, and, you know, I think it can really help if we can cycle.
We can take a cycle on the metro, right?
Last mile.
Couple of our members have done that, na?
And Speaking Wheels is doing a wonderful job in that. I know you've worked with other people in the community and encouraging getting cycles, and so all great
And
stuff.
we have youngsters also, na, joining our group. Very young people.
So very thankful for that. Thank you for the opportunity to, you know,
Yes.
speak like this. This is very nice of you guys.
नेहमीसारखं खूपच मजा आलेली आहे.
हो, absolutely.
So thanks. Thank you.